How to look up driver's license number. Driver's license numbers are considered sensitive personal information. Because of privacy and security concerns, most states restrict access to this data. Only government agencies, law enforcement, or entities with legal permission can look up a license number. This protects individuals from identity theft and fraud. If you need to find a driver's license number for legal or official reasons, you must go through proper channels. This might include submitting a formal request through the Department of Motor Vehicles or working with law enforcement. Unauthorized attempts to access this information can lead to penalties. Certain professionals like employers, insurance companies, or attorneys may be allowed to look up a driver's license number, but only with the person's consent or under specific legal frameworks. This ensures the information is used responsibly and protects individual privacy. Many websites promise easy access to driver's license numbers online. However, these sites are often scams or sell inaccurate data. Relying on them can risk your privacy and security. Always use official government sources when attempting to verify license information. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.